Welcome back to the Greenhorn Travelers channel. As avid travelers, we always seek out natural wonders that leave us awe-inspired. On our trip to Madhya Pradesh, we had the pleasure of visiting the magnificent Dhuandhar Falls. These falls are a sight to behold. Join me as I recount our experience of exploring the majestic Dhuandhar Falls. We arrived at Bhedaghat on a not-so-hot late morning, accompanied by the gentle whispers of the Narmada River. The falls were just a short distance away, and we could hear the distant roar of water cascading down the cliffs. Excitement filled the air as we made my way towards the falls. As we reached the viewing point, we were immediately captivated by the sheer power and beauty of the Dhuandhar Falls. To gain a panoramic view of the falls, we decided to take the cable car ride. In the cable car, we marveled at the expansive view of the river, the rocks, and the lush green landscape. It was a thrilling experience, suspended in the air, witnessing the majestic falls from a different perspective. The cable car timings are from 10 am to 6 pm and they charge 100 rupees per person. At a distance of 20 kilometers from Jabalpur, Dhuandhar Falls is a scenic waterfall located at Bhedaghat near Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. Also known as Smoke Cascade, it is one of the stunning waterfalls in India and among the must-visit places in Madhya Pradesh. Formed by the holy Narmada River, Dhuandhar Falls is one of the major attractions in Jabalpur. The waterfall cascades from a height of 98 feet that gives mesmerizing views to the tourists. The word Dhuandhar is derived from two Hindi words. Dhua means smoke and dhar means flow, meaning a waterfall where we get a smoke flow-like feeling. The tremendous force with which the waters of Narmada cascade down the rocky surface lends the fall its name Smoke Cascade. The sight of the Narmada River cascading down from a great height is a sight to behold. The white water pummels down to form a gorge known as the Marble Rocks, one of the must-visit Jabalpur tourist places. In our next video, we will cover Marble Rocks. One can take a dip in the cool water along the banks upstream, roam around the viewpoints, click photographs, or just sit back and enjoy nature's tranquility. Visitors never miss out on the shopping aspect, as marble artifacts, jewelry and soapstone carvings from the local vendors close to the waterfalls make for great souvenirs.